Hello and welcome back to another zoo vlog. It's another freaking freezing day, but at least it's sunny. It's nice and bright and sunny today. So, hope to capture some more great animal footage of the various creatures that live here. And yeah, I'll check back in a little while if anything comes up. That baby Angolan Colobus monkey's always jumping around. It's so difficult to follow this little guy. He's always jumping around everywhere. Where is he? There he is. He's up there. Poor silly little monkey. Jumping around like a monkey that he is. Look how cute he is. It's amazing how he's not cold. I guess he's got a lot of energy to move around, which keeps his body heat at a good level. Oh. That's what I think Faraj is really funny. A funny individual giraffe. Because she does the weirdest things sometimes. So this is essentially what elephants do most of the time during the day. They graze the grass or browse from trees. As you can see, here's Thandi coming up to say hello. Hey Thandi, how are you? How are you, girl? Doing good? Hey Thandi. Oh my gosh, look how close you are. You can see she is deciding to graze right over here by the fence line. It's like she came up to say hello to me. It's so sweet. And here comes Sheena. Oh, well, now she's taking a dump. Well, ooh, listen, she's doing a grumble.
Oh, and then now he's
So what just happened there is, since Sheena, the one who came up, is more dominant than Thandi, she moved out of the way for her while going to the bathroom. You can actually hear them vocalize for a little bit. And that was actually pretty cool to see. It happened right in front of me. Oh yeah. So it was another good chill day today. I got a great close encounter with Thandi the elephant. And yeah, it was generally, figuratively and literally speaking, a chill day. So to end it off, I'm going to focus in on these bongos here in the water. And until then, this is Ian signing off for now. And I'll see you in the next vlog real soon. Thanks for watching.